Wow, the super blower, folks. Saturday, Venice Beach. Pretty quiet out here because the winds are ridiculous. Wave crest, our usual spot. Hopefully we'll be out here tomorrow. Winds have changed. Embrace the winds have changed. Refocus your energies. Do what you got to do to evolve. Get where you want to be. Stay creative. Stay focused. Harness the energies brought by the wind. It's a super blower. Enjoy the day no matter what gets thrown at you. You get some wind, you gotta roll with it. Look at that. Extreme blower. Sidewalk cafe all boxed up. Piano man, the piano's out. Yeah, it's a wild one. We'll go down to Muscle Beach, check it with our boy Gordo. Yes, sir. Yeah. A couple skaters up there at the skate park. There's the man. No days off for Harry. Looking good, bro. Harry Perry, that's our guy. I'm sure Heinz one-wheeler's out here somewhere. What a day. Alright, we'll go holler at Gordo. He locked his keys in his car. We're going to try to help him out. Check in with you guys momentarily. Shouts to MF Doom. Come get your photo with the MF Doom street art. You know what it is. DIY. Create your own. She's doing it. DIY. Little windy to ball today. Everyone will be rested. Fresh legs. Come out tomorrow. Get buckets. We still do need a hoop down there. Yes, the frozen blowing tundra. Looks like we got a game. 2-on-2. Wow. It's a win game. There he is. Getting their buckets. Muscle Beach, pretty empty. Alright, that was the tour, guys. We'll save a little footage. Mother Earth is undefeated. You already know. Muscle Beach supposedly opening on the 14th. We hope so. That'll be 2 years exactly, just about. March 15th, 2020 to now. Looks like our art got ripped down by the wind, by people, whatever. Put more up. Some fighters out here. What's up, bros? Yo. Champs out here, the trainers.